What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jakedasnake Sneaks here, and we're back with a brand new video today. And today, guys, we got a very special unboxing. We're going to be unboxing a pair of sneakers that I've been on the hunt for a very long time. I finally found what I think is a good price, and I think the pictures are showing them that they're going to be in good condition, guys. So today, we get a very nice package to unbox. But before we do, guys, make sure you're subscribed down below, guys. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway soon, so make sure you just keep on subscribed. Well, you can only subscribe once, but you can make different accounts and then subscribe again. So, hey guys, so maybe a giveaway coming soon, who knows, but make sure you drop that like down below, and let's go ahead and get into it right this second. I picked these up off of Instagram from a seller by the name of Jakedasnake. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram. He's pretty legit, and well, let's make sure he's still legit since we haven't unboxed these yet, but he was very patient and very kind. My PayPal was messed up, and so I finally went through, and here they are, guys. He shipped in one day. You know what they are, but let's go and check and see what they're legit or not. Let me snag some scissors, and we'll be right back. Never swing scissors, okay, guys? Very dangerous. You could poke an eye out. Oh, let's go and slice this bad boy open. Never cut toward yourself unless your name is Jake. One last little thread left. Come on. Oh my. Are you... Dude, what is... Oh, alright, I got a sneak peek, but first, this thing fell out right here. His little business card. Take a screenshot of that if you want to do business with him. You can also take a screenshot of this business card, baby. You already know what's going on, guys. Thank you, Jakedasnake. Thank you very much. Appreciate them. Here they are right here. Oh my goodness, guys. These are so fire. Check these bad boys out. Peanuts, VANS, Charlie Brown times VANS, whatever, guys. These are completely fire. Check them out. Wow, guys. These are in a lot better condition than I thought. Wow. I got these for a steal, in my opinion, a steal. I got them for basically retail. Did not come with the box, but shout out to Jakedasnake. This is a great deal. Let's go and give you the up close and personal review, guys. We haven't hit one of those in a while, so it's time to hit them right now. Up close and personal review. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Guys, check these out. Wow, like Peanuts, VANS, Charlie Brown. These are straight fire, guys. Drop a like if you think these are dope. I mean, check them out, guys. Like, so fire. Instead of the VANS logo, we got, like, the Charlie Brown shirt down there. You can see his little stripe on his shirt. But we're coming back to that later, so don't look at that, guys. But now let's go and head to the back of the shoe. We got the little VANS logo back there. And we got the black little suede patch right here. On the inside, we got the same pattern that we had on the outside of the shoe. Very dope right there. Charlie Brown's little t-shirt on the shoe. That's so dope. And then we got the all-around white outsole. It looks really clean right now. I'm actually surprised by how clean these are. Look how trash these are, guys. And I wear these a lot. And so, like, these are completely trash. And these are completely, like, almost new. So, very interesting comparison right there. Which one do you like better? Comment down below. The Flames. I don't know what I like better yet, but Flames or these right here, guys. It was funny that they both have yellow. These are like my only yellow shoes. So right here on the toe box, we got another like black suede little patch, I guess you can say. Laces are white, very nice. I like these laces a lot. And then on the tongue, guys, the tongue. Let me show you the other shoe. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see it says "Good Grief." Charlie Brown says that a lot, so that's kind of funny. So "Good Grief" goes on the tongue. Pretty sick, in my opinion, that they added that detail. And then we got the leather inside right here. I like the leather a lot on the inside of VANS. Nice little detail. On the inside, we got the Peanuts logo right there with Charlie Brown on a skateboard. Pretty fitting since this is a VANS shoe right here. And then we got the VANS logo always on the inside of the shoe. Then the tag right here. What else does it say? Oh. Okay. Are we back? Shoe review. Right here on the tongue, which I was trying to show you earlier, is 2017 Peanuts. So, like I said earlier, I've been wanting the... Oh my, focus. Oh yeah, so I've been wanting these for a little while now, and really cool that I can finally get them. And so 2 years, guys. 2 years in the making, and we're finally getting them in hand for a great deal. Dude, focus! Are you kidding me? But let's go and throw them outside on the on-feet look, guys. Let's go and get in this on-foot review right now. Alright, guys. Shout out to Vans, shout out to Peanuts. Really cool idea right here. And thanks again to JK Souls for the good hookup. If you like this shoe, make sure you drop that like down below. If you like the review, make sure you check out my other ones too. That's going to be it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Drop that like, subscribe, giveaway soon. Who knows, guys? We'll catch you later. Me and Charlie Brown are out, guys. Peace.